Hello student, today I am going to demonstrate a experiment that is related to magnetism and electricity. That is the magnetic effect of electric current. In this demonstration I will show you how the force exerted on a current carrying conductor when placed inside a magnetic field. Here, look here. Here is a current carrying conductor. It is a conductor. Look here, it is a conductor, and it is joined to the connecting wire, and that is joined to the battery. It is a battery. Now, it is a horseshoe magnet. Here pole is here, and the direction magnetic field is from this direction, this into this, from north to south, and it is placed inside in the magnetic field of a horseshoe magnet. Now, it is non-magnetic substance which is not attracted by the magnet. But when its current is passed through in the conductor, a force exerted on it due to the magnetic field and it flickering, kicking. Just I am going to join the circuit. Here the circuit here, I am going to join the circuit like that. Here the circuit here, I am going to join the circuit. You see the flickering, the force exerted on the conductor is a conductor due to the magnetic force of the magnet. Look here, I am going to, now, here we can see how the force is exerted on the conductor. Look here, how the force is exerted on the conductor. You can see the force is acting towards the forward direction, in this direction. Now, here we can observe it. When the pole is changed, when the direction is, current direction is this into the this end, from this end to this end. When that pole is changed, the flickering of the conductor is changed. The force is acting in reverse direction. You can see like that. I am going to change the direction of the electric current. When the pole is changed, when the polarity of the battery is changed, then the direction is changed. Now you can see that force exerted. It is force exerted in this direction. Previously force is exerted in this direction, and now if the pole is changed, then force is exerted in this direction. Now look here. You can see. That is the objective of this demonstration. Here the direction of magnetic current in downward direction, and current is flowing in this direction. This direction of the magnetic field, and direction of the current, and direction of the force exerted on the conductor, it is illustrated by the Fleming left-hand Fleming rules. Here the four fingers, it is the four fingers, it is the thumb, it is the middle finger. Now, when the four fingers, that is four fingers, middle finger and the thumb is stretched mutually perpendicular to each other, it is the direction of the magnetic current. It is the direction of the magnetic field. It is the direction of the current. Then it is the direction of the force exerted on it. That is the relationship of the direction of magnetic field and direction of current in the conductor and the direction of force exerted on the conductor. That is given by the Fleming left-hand rules. Fleming left rule stated that when the left hand, the four fingers, thumb and middle finger is stretched mutually perpendicular, and the direction of magnetic force is represented by the four fingers, and the direction of current is represented by the middle finger, then the force exerted on the conductor is represented by the thumb. That is the Fleming left-hand rule, that establish the relationship between the direction of the magnetic field, direction of the current in the conductor, and the direction of force exerted on the conductor. That is the Fleming-Leffler rule, and it is the experiment that demonstrated that how the magnetic field, when the current carrying conductor is placed inside the magnetic field, how the force is exerted on the current carrying. You can see like that. Here again we are going to illustrate. Look here. The flickering of the conductor is observed. Look here. How the flickering of the and the flickering and reflecting is reversed. When the magnetic pole is reversed, direction is reversed, then now look here. Now how the force is exerted on it. Now look here. This is the objective of the force exerted on a current carrying conductor when placed inside a magnetic field. Okay, thank you.